Evening, everybody. SG Caper here again, and I'm not doing any painting tonight. I am not going to be painting. Instead, I want to share with you something I found that I think you might like. Ultraman. I found these while hanging out at Barnes & Noble. They are little boxes. They come, there's 2 of each of these in the box. They're in the fancier toy section of Barnes & Noble. And you can see on the back there are 4 different boxes, 3 characters. You got Ultraman, 7, Ace, and then an accessory set. So this one's Ultraman. Okay. This one is 7. This one is the Ace, and this is the accessories. And I figured I'd crack them open real quick and show you what's inside. Now I'm not gonna open all of them because I have some already open. They come like this. You get a body, there's a head, and then a bunch of hands. So body, head, hands. And when you put it together, you get your Ultraman. Like that. And this is, for the price, $6.99. This is a damn good figure. Really good range of motion, really nice articulation. So we got a swivel arm, we've got a ball jointed shoulder, it's got pivot elbow, it does not have double elbows, and it's got a wrist that can turn, but it doesn't have the articulation in the other direction. It has the head can go, ball jointed head, ball jointed torso, little bit of movement in the lower waist, ball jointed hips, single knees, not double knees, and then little ball joint in the foot. Now what I like about these is how easy it is to just break these down. With the exception of the knee, everything else just kind of pops apart pretty easy. And it pops apart super fast, goes back together. So you got, when you get all 3 of the characters, you've got unlimited possibilities of part swapping. Plus, just the potential for custom making is, I feel like, is pretty great with these. So, put it back together. They do not come with accessories. Each figure comes plain, just like you saw. It's the head, several different hands. So, head, body, and several different sets of hands for each figure. So there's the Ultraman. We have 7. There's 7, same thing. And there's Ace. And they all have similar articulation. And real easy to swap parts between them. You can just pop off parts and just mix and match, and you got lots of possibilities. All right, so there's the figures. Pretty good. They scale up pretty well. They scale pretty nicely. I happen to have a Marvel Universe figure. They are lean. These are very thin figures. So if you're trying to use them with something like a Marauders figure, they are going to be on the small side. Here's the Marauders. So you can see it's much leaner, but same height. And I don't mind because people come in different sizes. And I'm not going to be using these as people anyway. I'm going to be using them for different droids. They turn them into bats and things like that. Now, the real kicker on these is not the figures. The figures are great. For the price, you can't beat it. Low price, good articulation. The accessories. So I've already opened them. It comes in 2 bags. I'm not going to open another box yet. And inside of this, you get a whole bunch of accessories. These are the hands that came with them. So we have some laser swords. There are some different energy blasts. This is like an energy sword. Rocket pack. This is a cool one. It's got a stand. It's like a fireball, so they can fire blast. Here are swappable forearms. So you get the swappable forearms, and they have spots for you to attach the different things. Here's another one. Not really quite sure what these are, but cool pieces. A set of hands with flying discs. They can hold, there's little circles in the hands, little pegs on the discs. And here are some more forearms. This is a forearm with the energy blast coming out of it. Right. So lots of possibilities with these. If you, I went and bought all of them. So I got a discount on them. For under 24 bucks, I got all of it. I got 3 figures and all of these accessories, which I can now mix and match and do whatever I want with. Very limited paint, molded in red with silver accent paint, and then some clear places. So this head has a clear yellow with a little blue dot painted on there. Same thing. I do believe the heads are probably, well, maybe not. I want to say that they're cast in the yellow and then painted silver. This one's got the yellow eyes. It's got a blue gem in the chest. Limited paint apps again. Same thing, blue in the chest, yellow eyes. Limited paint apps, good articulation for the price point. You're not going to get the modern Marauders figure, boss fight figure articulation on these, but you're paying half the price. You got a lot of great parts potential here. You can do a lot of things with these. And the real kicker is the accessories. I mean, these are just awesome. So many cool little bits, especially if you are into sci-fi. You have like a sci-fi universe or robots and whatnot. A lot of cool. I can see these being used in a lot of cool Cobra bats. That's what I see. That's what I'm going to be using them for, and I can see people doing a lot of neat stuff with them. So if you have a Barnes & Noble near you, you should definitely go out and pick these up. They come in these little boxes. They are $6.99, and they are worth it. This is the full set, 3 figures, accessories. There's 2 of each in the box, and I like them. You should go out and get them too. I posted about these on a forum that I like, joecustoms.com. And several people have gone out and found them or asked for others to pick them up. I bought some extras for some of my buddies. Be sending those out to them. Because, again, why not? The price is good. The options are great. And they're fun figures. So, go out and get your Ultraman. Heroes, Ultraman by Bandai. Go look for them. Barnes & Noble. Take it easy.